Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale cybersecurity with CyberArk. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the core concept of scaling cybersecurity within your organization. Identify the specific security challenges faced by your organization. Research how CyberArk addresses these challenges with its suite of solutions. Log in to your CyberArk account. Navigate to the CyberArk dashboard to familiarize yourself with its interface. Start by configuring the Privileged Access Security module. Set up a secure vault for sensitive passwords and credentials. Define access policies to manage who can access these privileged accounts. Implement session management to monitor user activity in real time. Integrate CyberArk with your existing security tools for enhanced visibility. Create a plan for automating credential rotation to reduce risk. Conduct a risk assessment to identify vulnerabilities that need addressing. Utilize CyberArk's reporting features to gain insights into access patterns. Educate your team on best practices for using CyberArk effectively. Schedule regular audits to ensure compliance with your organization's security policies. Continuously update your configurations as new threats emerge. Review your scaling strategy periodically to align with business growth. Collaborate with stakeholders to ensure ongoing improvements in your cybersecurity posture. Stay informed about CyberArk's latest features and updates for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.